After the studying the MOA and AOA, we have to discuss what is the difference between MOA and AOA. It is very important. So we know that what is the difference between MOA and AOA. So the first, Memorandum of Association and Article of Association. So we define on the basis of point of difference. The first is the nature. MOA is the charter of the company, constitutes of the company, and AOA is the bylaw of the company for smooth and internal management of the company. That is Article of Association, and that MOA is the charter of the company. The next is the contents. It defines the objective and power of the company, and in Article of Association, it contains rules and regulation of carrying out day-to-day operations in a business. The next is relation defines. It defines the relation of the company with the outside world. The next is Article of Association. What is a relation? It defines the internal relation between the company and its members. The next is the status. It is the fundamental document of a company. It's suppose the article in Article of Association, it is supplementary document of a company. The next is the filing. The filing of Memorandum of Association must compulsorily, and filing of AOA is adopt table A, or it can be prepared in their board of directors. The next is the alteration. तो इतना तक तो ये तो सेव हो गया होगा, बस सही है यार।